AI for solopreneurs solves the one problem every one-person business runs into: time. The fastest-growing solo operators are not the ones working longer hours. They are the ones who hand repeatable work to AI, and most guides never start there. Start with one writing assistant. Claude or Chat, GPT, drafts your proposals, your emails, and your social posts, so the highest volume task in your week stops eating your mornings. Add one automation tool next. Zapier connects your apps and moves a new lead straight into your workflow, with no manual copy and paste in between. Then layer in the specialists only as you need them. Perplexity for research you can trust, Notion to organize it, Canva for design. One tool at a time, each earning its place before the next one arrives. Here's what ties it together. AI for solopreneurs is not about buying 6 tools at once. It is about replacing your single biggest time drain first, then letting the savings fund the next step. Everything we cover in these videos lives at aprostudios.com. Come and take a look.